What week are we on right now? Week number 11, man. So we are on week number 11 of Mystery Box Fridays. This is the beater box that we have today, $1,475, so a very high tier box. We've been killing it with the mystery boxes, man. Anyway, if you guys are interested in watching a $1,475 sneaker mystery box, then stay tuned. All of that is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker mystery box for you guys on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, man. Week 11 weeks in a row that we've been doing Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. That is almost 3 months. That's kind of crazy. Anyway, we're gonna get right into the box, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Privacy.com. Privacy.com is an amazing technology that was seemingly built for sneakerheads because it allows you to buy things online using virtual credit cards. So your identity and your bank information is secure, man, because you're using virtual cards, not your real ones. It's a very, very helpful tool for copying sneakers, and I'll get into that a little bit more later in the video, so stay tuned for that. But before that, we need to open up the mystery box, man. $1,475. Let's see what we got. This is an interesting box, guys. This is an interesting one. I'm gonna start pulling out the shoes, but I forgot to mention that this box was from Soul Supremacy. I know it's important for you guys to figure out where these boxes are caught from, because maybe you guys behind the camera are looking to cop a box, but right now they're only selling boxes to members, so it's gonna be a hard place to cop if you guys are like new to the beater box scene. I'm gonna be selling all these shoes on my website though, untiedhawaii.com, where you would be able to utilize your Privacy.com virtual credit cards. Again, we'll talk about that a little bit later. So let's take a look at the first shoes that we have out of this box though. I don't even know what these things are, man. This is a very small Jordan 2 size 4Y, man, and this thing is beat up. Check this thing out. Kid size shoe, and it looks super, super old. The year that it came out was actually 2013. What? So that's only like, I guess it's 6 years old, but when you guys look at how beat up this thing is, it's definitely been worn down, man. So I don't even know, maybe like hopefully 20 bucks right there. I have no idea. You guys can follow along on the counter to see how much money we can actually make on this box though. Not a good start for $1,475. Okay, and so we have one more loose shoe, and it's another random kind of shoe. This one is an Air Max in a size 6. Like when you think of a beater, this is definitely a beater. Super dirty. I don't even want to touch this one, man. This is a very used sneaker. Okay, we're gonna get this out of the way. Probably, I don't know, 10 bucks if even. The only place we can go is up, right? This one, ooh, okay. This is a size 8.5 men's, PG 2.5 PlayStation. Okay, right on. And this is the second iteration of the PlayStation. Oh shoot, I forgot this thing lights up. I was just clicking this button and I was like, oh yeah, this thing lights up. You guys can see it has that Sony PlayStation vibe with like the controller buttons running through the shoe, the X, circle, triangle, square. Also has PG over here, and like I was saying, this thing does actually light up. So on the back, it has the power button, and when you click that, it turns on PG up here. So that's kind of sick, dude. The rest of the shoe just has that PlayStation aesthetic going to it. So this is actually really dope. I've never seen any of the PlayStations in hand, so that's why I'm kind of like freaking out over this light. On the other shoe over here, this one doesn't light up, but it does have the more classic PlayStation logo, so I think that's dope. In terms of resale though, which is probably what you guys are focused on, I'm not certain this is going for a lot of money. The original PlayStations were going for quite a bit more than these 2.5s. So we got to see about that one. Next shoe out, I have not seen this. Whoa, I have not seen this box before. But it is definitely falling apart. And it is a Kith box. Interesting. We were just at Kith. If you guys didn't watch that video, check it out up there. But this box is definitely broken. So we'll leave that over there. What is this thing? Okay, anyway, some kind of Nike Kith collab, I guess, and it does look like it's in dead stock condition. Has the Kith branding on the tongue over here. You can see that Kith. Also Kith on the back over here. And it is wrapped up, and it still has the lace bag, so dead stock, but I don't know if you can call it dead stock when the box is like falling apart like this. Also, I have no idea what the shoe is, so if you guys know this shoe, let me know. It has tiger print on the front, which you would assume like the shoe would kind of look like that, but it's just straight up red, which is super confusing. Another weird shoe in a $1,475 box. This one is in a size 11. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. Okay, next out we have a size 4.5 Jordan 11 and another broken box, man. These things are like talking to you, dude. This is weird. This one, oh, okay. We got a pair of Concords though in a youth size 4.5Y. But very just heavily worn. You can see creasing here, creasing over the toe box. Shoe itself just feels very worn and kind of run down. I don't know, maybe decent value there? We'll put that on the side. Now, thankfully, the rest of the box is probably where all of the value is going to be. Those first 5 shoes, not so great. They're not so great, but the next 4 are all Yeezys. So we're hoping that we have some great value there. Because the start of the box didn't have much value aside from that PlayStation, I'm hoping. We gotta see. So the first box out, first Yeezy box I mean, is a size 10.5 Yeezy V2. And we have a pair of the Beluga 2.0s. You guys can see over here though, this one is a worn pair of Belugas, and this one is a lot more worn than I would like. You guys can see that the boost over here is a little bit more dirtied up, but the uppers and stuff is completely clean, so this isn't too bad. They should fetch some good value here. Obviously it's a Yeezy, right? So there is good money on that. We also have a 700 box as well. This one is also in a 10.5, so I could technically fit all of these. Too bad I'm not into Yeezys. This one though is a mauve Yeezy 700, I think that's what they're called. This one looks like it's in a lot better condition than its 350 counterpart. It is used, but when you guys check that bottom compared to the last Yeezy bottom, this one is not that worn down at all. So pretty good condition right there. 700 mauve, 10.5. 2 shoes left. This one is not in a 10.5 though. It is a 9.5. It's a pair of the Beluga 1.0s. But you can check it out over here. This one is a lot better condition than its other Beluga counterpart. The boost over here is pretty white still, so that's a good sign that it hasn't been worn a lot. Additionally, the uppers and stuff look perfectly fine. No holes in the stitching, nothing too crazy going on. Everything looks solid. So another good sneaker right here, man. Beluga 2.0, Beluga 1.0. I'm just messing with you guys. If you guys are wondering about that Beluga stuff, I don't know what episode it was on, but it kind of turned into a meme. Beluga 1.0, 2.0. 3.0. This one, last one over here, is a Yeezy 350 in a size 14. Ooh, this is a big shoe, man. And we have a pair of Yeezy Sesames in a boat size, dude, by size 14. This thing is huge. So size 14 Sesame, again, worn, so we didn't have any dead stock Yeezys, unfortunately. I mean, the bottoms are obviously going to be dirtied up from walking on concrete and stuff, but the rest of the uppers and stuff look fine. No stains, nothing crazy, I don't think. Yeah, other shoe looks about the same. So that is it for the box, guys. Really interesting box, and I wasn't as hyped as I usually am because you guys know me, I'm not a big fan of Yeezys, so if there's like a lot of Jordans and stuff in there, I tend to get a little bit more excited over the box. But when it's Yeezys, I'm kind of like, okay, that's good value, actually really great value, but it's hard to get excited over a shoe that you're not super pumped over yourself, right? So that's what my feelings are for that. However, in terms of resale potential, 4 Yeezys will sell like very quickly. It doesn't really matter about the colorway, it doesn't really matter about the condition. Like, trust me, as much as people say Yeezys are dead, as soon as I put them up on the web store, they sell out instantly, like very quickly. So there's still a strong market for Yeezy resale, and I've been doing really well with those. So I know this box will get sold very quickly, especially those Belugas. So be sure to check that out, untiedhawaii.com. Now, the untiedhawaii.com website is not sketchy, but I'm sure if you guys are lovers of sneakers and stuff, you guys have gone to some sketchy looking websites thinking of buying shoes. Not only sketchy websites, but when you get that notification on Twitter about a new sneaker drop, how many of you guys have actually rushed to a website where you can't even read the language? Guilty. That's me, man. I mean, we're speeding through the checkouts as fast as we can, guys, just to cop those sneakers. And whether you take the W or you take the L, your credit card information is already on that website once you try to check out. And after that, you kind of just leave it there and you forget that it's there. And that's scary, man. Privacy.com solves this problem for sneakerheads by creating virtual cards that you're able to use online, so you don't need to worry about protecting your identity and card information. It's completely free and super easy to set up on your phone or web browser, and even comes with a Chrome extension to make checkouts fast and easy. On top of that, you're able to create these things called burner cards, where it can literally be used once on a website and then closed right after, which is actually really useful for drops like Adidas, where you guys are only allowed to cop 1 Yeezy per card. Privacy.com lets you make multiple cards. Just saying. So head over to privacy.com/untied to sign up for your virtual cards today. What's even better is when you guys use that link in the description below, you guys will automatically be signed up to get $5 free off of your first purchase when you guys utilize your privacy.com virtual cards. That's right. free money. So you guys are able to cop that Jordan or Yeezy for $5 less. But you guys got to go quick because that offer won't last forever. So again, check out the description below, privacy.com/untied, $5 free. Start buying today safely. Anyway, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will be back once again next week with another sneaker mystery box for Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below for more beater box content. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!